Hey there, future retirees, ready to make your money work for you? Let's dive into the 5 best retirement investments for beginners. I am not a financial advisor. This informational video is for educational purposes only. Alright folks, let's talk about a 401k. If you've ever wondered what all the fuss is about, you're in the right place. A 401k is one of the best ways to save for your future, and it's easier than you might think. You know how sometimes your work gives you free donuts in the break room? It's a little treat to make your day better. Well, a 401k is kinda like that, but way more valuable. Instead of sugar and sprinkles, it's stuffed with cold hard cash. Imagine every dollar you save being matched by your employer, making your savings grow faster than you ever thought possible. This is money you're putting aside for retirement, and the best part is, you get taxed on it later, not now. This means more money in your pocket today and a nice nest egg for tomorrow. Plus, a lot of companies offer something called an employer match. This is where the magic happens. Your employer contributes extra money to your 401k based on how much you save. That's where your company throws in some extra dough on top of what you're already saving. It's like getting a bonus just for being smart with your money. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. You didn't expect it, but it sure feels good when you find it. You don't say no to free money, do you? Of course not. It's a no-brainer to take advantage of this opportunity. So sign up for that 401k and contribute enough to get the full match. It's one of the smartest financial moves you can make, and it doesn't take much effort. It's the easiest way to invest like a pro right out of the gate. With just a few simple steps, you're setting yourself up for a secure and comfortable retirement. So why wait? Start today and watch your savings grow. Next up, we've got the Roth IRA. This little gem is like a secret weapon against the taxmen. See, with a Roth IRA, you put in money you've already paid taxes on. Sounds kind of boring, right? But here's the kicker. When you retire and start taking money out, you don't owe a single penny in taxes. It's like finding a loophole in the system that lets you keep more of your hard-earned cash. And the best part is, you don't have to be rolling in dough to get started. Even if you can only swing $100 a month, that's $100 the taxman won't be able to touch when you're kicking back and enjoying retirement. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dave, this investing stuff sounds complicated. You might be picturing a bunch of Wall Street brokers in suits, shouting into phones and staring at multiple screens with numbers flashing by. It can seem overwhelming, right? Well, hold your horses because index funds and ETFs are here to save the day. These investment vehicles are designed to make your life easier and your investment journey smoother. They take the guesswork out of investing, allowing you to grow your wealth without needing a finance degree. Think of them like a big basket of stocks. Imagine walking through a farmer's market and picking up a basket filled with a variety of fresh fruits. Each fruit represents a different stock, and together, they make a balanced and nutritious meal. Instead of trying to pick individual winners like some kind of Wall Street hotshot, you're investing in a whole bunch of companies at once. This approach spreads out your risk and increases your chances of seeing positive returns over time. It's like diversifying your breakfast. You wouldn't just eat bacon every day, would you? You'd want some eggs, toast, maybe a bit of fruit to keep things balanced and healthy. Okay, bad example, bacon's amazing, but you get the point. Diversification is key to a healthy investment portfolio, just like a balanced diet is key to a healthy body. The S&P 500 is a great place to start. This index fund includes the 500 largest companies in the United States, giving you a broad exposure to the market. It's like investing in the 500 biggest, baddest companies in America. These are the giants of industry, the companies that drive the economy forward. And the best part is, you can buy into these funds through ETFs, which are like the discount version of index funds. They offer the same diversification benefits but are often more affordable and easier to trade. They're traded on the stock market just like a regular stock, but they give you instant diversification. This means you can start investing with just a few clicks, and you don't have to worry about picking the right individual stocks. It's a simple, effective way to grow your wealth over time. Now, before you go jumping into the stock market with both feet, let's talk about safety. Investing can be thrilling, but it also comes with its fair share of risks. It's like hiking on a trail. You need to be cautious and thoughtful about each step you take, because we all know life can throw curveballs, right? Just when you think you have everything figured out, an unexpected wave or sudden rain can catch you off guard. That's why it's crucial to have a safety net in place. That's where high-yield savings accounts and CDs come in. These financial tools are designed to offer you a safe harbor, a place where your money can grow steadily without the wild fluctuations of the stock market. These are like the responsible older siblings of the investment world. They may not be as exciting as stocks or cryptocurrencies, but they provide stability and security, which are essential for long-term financial health. They're not going to make you rich quick, but they're a safe place to park your money while you're figuring out this whole investing thing. Think of them as your financial training wheels, helping you balance and gain confidence before you venture into more volatile investments. Think of them like the foundation of your financial house. Just as a sturdy foundation is crucial for a building, a solid financial base is essential for your investment journey. You need a solid foundation before you can start building those money towers, right? Without it, your financial structure could easily crumble at the first sign of trouble. So, before you go chasing those high returns, make sure you've got a good chunk of change stashed away in a high-yield savings account or CD. This will give you the peace of mind to explore other investment opportunities without worrying about immediate financial needs. That way, if life throws you a curveball, you'll be ready to knock it out of the park. With a solid financial foundation, you'll be better equipped to handle whatever comes your way, ensuring that your investment journey is both safe and rewarding. Last but not least, let's talk about dividend stocks. These bad boys are like the gift that keeps on giving. See, when you own a dividend stock, you're not just hoping the stock price goes up, you're also getting paid cold hard cash just for owning it. It's like getting a bonus just for being you. Now, not all companies pay dividends, but the ones that do are usually pretty stable and profitable. They're like the reliable workhorses of the stock market. And the best part is, you can reinvest those dividends and buy even more stock. It's like a snowball effect for your money. So, if you're looking for a way to generate some passive income in retirement, dividend stocks are definitely worth checking out. And there you have it. The 5 best retirement investments for beginners. Remember, you don't have to be a financial whiz to get started. The most important thing is to start early and stay consistent. Even if you can only invest a little bit each month, it'll add up over time. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So, go out there, start investing, and may your retirement be as golden as your years.